Hello guys, this is me, RGPH. Welcome back again to our another YouTube video. And today, I'm gonna showcasing this Blacksprut script called Anyhub. So, if you can see, I'm still using Arceus X Neos since Delta is still updating yet the real one Delta, and Delta Dev says that don't use the other fake Delta and other people, or else you will get banned or detect. And that's all. Let's go. And here is Anyhub. We have main farm. You can set spawn within all codes. Select weapon, what weapon you want, but I want to select melee. How to farm level. If you can see, it's farming. How to farm more. It's also doing boost, kick frames, farm zone. Farming zone. I think we need to reset. Wait, what? Yeah, guys, it's working, guys. Fruit mastery, twin chess, sub farming. Here is the function like fast attack, etc. How to buy superhuman or how to buy electric like this. How to farm materials like leather or thing. How to B4, how to teleport to Mirage, Lakmon, and this is working, guys. The B4 is legit working, and I already use this teleport to castle dungeon. You can select any read here. Combat, you can kill player by using this. You can teleport to another island or first and second sea or third sea. You can buy abilities. You can buy a random fruit like this. Random fruit. We get smoke. Open shop. Yeah, it's working. PSP player. Yeah, I see the player chess. I also see the chess. Devil fruit. It's devil fruit. Falcon fruit. You're gonna have to repeat the fruit. Like that. What fruit is this? Sand and falcon. I think that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.